Alright guys, it's me Chase. Today I'm going to show you how to load your dirt bike by just driving it up on the thing. Don't be a puss about it, just do it. So I don't feel like putting on my big helmet or that other helmet, so I'm using this huge one. Alright, there you go. So just don't be a little puss about it. I know it's scary and all, but just don't think about it and hit it, and you'll be fine. So yeah, and always make sure you're wearing a helmet when you try that, because if not, then you'll fuck up and die. So yeah, there you go. All right. So now let's say you go somewhere. I didn't, obviously, but let's say you go somewhere. I'm gonna show you how to unload it. Again, just don't be a puss about it. Now, there's many ways that people say to do it. Like grab onto the back and let it drop down. I don't do that because my bike's tiny. I just get up here, turn it around, and drive down. Just get up. Nice here. Bang. All done. Easy. Just throw your stuff in the back and you're good to go. There you go.